Karokoliri a country ya Kenya amangana wage bill is a concern now. It is a national issue apart from counties, because I know the county just be allocation from national government. Karokoliri moniga our debt as a country ya chile 12.4 trillion. We spend more as wakane mesara chi county Kenya ngima. And there is a percentage internationally to when to go to your expense again more than 35%.
Oh, yes.
Ono Kenya munango kwa na to what 46.6% wage bill. Ngamuna bono buo kwa galia okanya okuli musara 10,000 ko so 20.
Yes.
Wanonyo lenga almost 50% iko kutumeke ndagera iko iweto kwatige na like 50% maybe into window what and what. One kere country muno kuligere Kenya, we are struggling in development digital we seek support from outside. Na development yiga chibese chito ko sabakwanya chajira semesara igo country kunyara kogendera gochimotu. So the economy is training. Muna Kenya kerangunye ligereli. I remember even there is that lady Ogodina Mangana Finance. She came with a very edatingia. Yokorokia se NCIK. Kworokinga kere which biria kwenda gochimotu go minetinga. Nyamba libale serikali chibesa nchire ba commissions. Muna bono gende chi office nyinga okanyara wanda banyakoli chi propaganda yawo. Even though it is unnecessary spending in particular priority, ekigion single affect kere. Muna bono buo gonyo lenga budget zeri goswa. Even though birora gani ko reduce so that onyo akabesa kali yogotua okonyora ngoswa kale ne kibese kyogotua. Bono Kenya muna tolega the reality. Now the fundamental question. We are crying aki wage bill achire gosobono. Lakini bondu wa makanyara bali ba understand team ne country yego struggle especially from the leadership of president muna last week kera litu kwa rangiria bantu state house akunya ko baenda age akoba sera chibesa 100 million 80 million. I remember a few days kana ngoso me newspaper from our respected retired Chief Justice Maraga okumuburi chibesa junya go bribe wa bantu state house. Nature charanchiri sikoga chigo strike nkwale ngo tokubwata chibesi chiyo wakane abali mbaso class baso mia wana inge kogera. It is not only Kenya kero kuligere Africa ne country jinatali. I don't know nkie kebe into Africa totally konyara go choose what is the priority. Isn't it? Bono enga likan kogenda ndu chibeso mwana ganyole pasali ande university asome kwanyo chibese china kolenta na kwara ikimia
kwangolera maru
muna bono go sero go wichire gusiga are you seeing mo kombori nga inguru chibese chiko kogera umusaro ne munyu manyeto nyende serikali iko bono keto kuligereri government yaito is more of bono baligeti 2027 amangana siasa kugura ba Kenya lika tongwenda ko use chibese. When we talk of wage bill muna bali baso meta mangana ya economics, mangana planning, what and what, they will tell you that any shilling etakeire bono kuba utilized well ne serikali. Nyona bantu konya gutara isuka necessary anything etari kolente faida as a country, they are not supposed to travel outside the country unnecessary expenses. If you look at like now the president, you know, traveling ya kwenda isiko muna bono iga the current president traveling ya chiro almost 50 times. Imagine Kibaki, our former president, in 10 years atalete 33 times. That is 10 years. Originally a president ya ito bono iga within 3 years otali isiko mara gosene mia. Wanonga kitoko kwa igoro ye wage bill still into our tueka we don't want to strain. Remember even the chances he promised about to reduce wage bill through what? Quarantine through the cabinet and such things. In a nutshell, a wage bill, it depends as leadership na intu nyona wananchi ngakitogo spend chibasi cha serikali.